So, hello everyone, this is Chris Diana, your grad school mentor. So, SAT notification is already out, I think on December 13th. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the various campuses of Symbiosis. Okay, we'll also be discussing about the programs that come under this SAT 2024, SAT General. Okay, we'll discuss the eligibility for each of the program. We'll also discuss the exam pattern, the cutoffs, the syllabus, how the evaluation is done. We'll then be going into the program structure of BBA SCMS Pune, and we'll discuss the important dates of SCT 2024. Now, remember that this particular institute, okay, offers SCT general programs under these particular campuses. So, Symbiosis Institute of Computer Science and Research, that is CICSR, okay, offers BBA, IT, and BCA. So, a total of 120 and 180 seats respectively. Then SCMS Pune, which is regarded as the topmost one for business administration, has 300. The next one would be SCMS Bangalore, which gives you only 60 seats for BBA. Then comes the Noida, which again gives you 300 seats, and then your Nagpur, which gives you 180 seats. Okay, then you also have liberal arts department, economics department, media and communication department, all giving you BA, BSc degrees respectively. Okay, so we'll be concentrating here more on the BBA IT and the other BBA courses. Now, the eligibility for your SCMS Pune is that you definitely should have your 12th equivalent as 50 percentage. If you're a SC/ST candidate, 45 percentage is enough. Okay, and then you mandatorily should have taken up SCT exam. So if you're an international student, you need not write the SAT paper, but remember that your 10 plus 2 board marks will add to 90 percentage weighted. Your statement of purpose will be 5 percentage weighted, and a letter of recommendation 5 percentage weightage. Okay, along with this, if you are a student who comes from non-English background, okay, then you have to write IELTS or TOEFL or IELA. That is going to be mandatory. Now, the various BBA programs under SCMS Pune, okay, what is the course structure like? See, it provides you specializations under marketing, human resource management, accounts and finance, international business, environmental management, and entrepreneurship. Not only this, you will have to go, but you also have to do a corporate internship, which will generally be your summer intern, my dear. And then along with that, you definitely should have done a social service project. Okay, you also will be guided for two research and experiential learning projects. You can offer global immersion program, which means you will be able to spend a semester abroad at any of the tie-up colleges. Okay, and for that you will be given 12 floating credits. Now, the general pattern consists of four different sections. General English, which is mainly RC, vocabs, and your grammar. Okay, and then quantitative aptitude, which involves arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, functions, everything. General awareness on current affairs and GK. And then analytical and logical reasoning, that's going to be mainly your selection process, arrangements, non-verbal reasoning. DI also comes under this. Okay. So the total number of questions will be 16, 16, 16, and 12 respectively. Every question has 1 mark. There is no negative marking, the same as NPAT. NPAT also has no negative marking. SAT also has no negative marking. Okay, and this particular exam is going to be for a whole 1 hour. Now, the evaluation will be based on the first round SAT score. You write that exam based on your cutoffs. The cutoffs generally now for SCMS Pune and all go for 39, 40. So 40 would be a very, very safe score. Okay. For the other colleges, it will come down by around 2 marks each. Okay. And then the second round will be your VAT, okay, and a general essay topic. You'll also have your personal interview. And remember, for all of these, we will definitely help you out. Once you get selected, we'll be helping you out for that, okay? And the final selection will be based on 50 percentage your SAT weightage and 50 percentage your weightage on VAT and PI. Then, the important dates. SAT registrations have already started December 13, 2023. SAT program registrations last date will be April 12th. Please do not wait till then. Finish them off before December. Okay, admit card issue date is not yet out. SAT exam will happen on two particular dates, May 5th and May 11th, and the time duration will be 1 hour from 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. Okay, and remember, you can opt for writing the exam on both the dates, the best of the score will be taken into consideration. For every exam you'll have to pay separately, my dear. Okay, so total fees will be accumulative for both. Okay, now it comes around 2250, and to apply to the colleges also, my dear, extra payment will be there. Okay, depends on which, how many courses you are choosing for. So SAT result mostly will come after 2 weeks, my dear, by May 2022. Okay, and then your PI dates will be on June 1st week tentatively, and the merit list, the final list, will be published by June 3rd week tentatively. So this is all about your SAT. Okay, so for the application process, go and register on the official website. Then go and fill the application form. Make the payment of SAT and the institute also. Okay, if you're writing for one, then your fees will be around 2250 2275. For two means double the amount, and for each and every institute application also there will be a separate cost. Okay, then send the payment details to the help desk. That should be more than enough. Okay, so in case of any doubts regarding how many times you can apply for this particular exam, okay, as I told you, it's only going to be two times, my dear. On both the dates you can take in, the best score will be taken into consideration by those particular colleges that you have applied for. Okay, so any doubts regarding the application process, please do get in touch. Okay, I will shortly release the form filling also for you so that you are not confused. Right, with a thank you, I wind up the video. The number given here, please do make sure that you contact us for any doubts. Thank you so much.